Hello everyone, I am Arti Awarkar. You all are know that I have joined the TCS, and so guys, firstly I got a TCS Xplore Kit and now I got a TCS Joining Kit. So eventually I got this kit and मैंने ऐसा सोचा कि मैं अकेली क्यों खोलूं, मेरी यूट्यूब फैमिली तो वेटिंग पे है. आरती दीदी joined the TCS and does not show anything. So it how it was possible. So due to that reason, today I can open this joining kit with you all. So let's go. Without delay, let's go. So guys, in this kit they can give some documents and see, this is a Dell bag I got in the joining kit. I put here Dell laptop charger and Dell optical mouse. So we can open this mouse. So wow, it's amazing and quality is also good. So now we can open our precious gift from TCS. Now this box is empty. So guys, this laptop is so small. Look, this is Dell laptop I got. कभी कभी without this because of dry battery it is not open, but in this time it will open, so we can check how was that. So please come fast. So guys, it's my laptop. I cannot show you how to open because they require the username and password. So username is our Gmail which I got from the TCS, and password is my India domain password. So if you got, then you can able to open it from that login credential. And guys, I would like to inform you that in a Xplore Kit I got one bag also, and one TCS diary, and this TCS steel bottle. And also I can share you the TCS Xplore Kit video with you all. So like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.